There is a scene from the recent web series. I was supposed to cry on that particular scene. I couldn't stop crying. It was because not of the scene. It was not because of the storyline. It was because I got scolded by my teacher in my group chat just before the shoot starts. Okay, the teacher was like, Sonia, can't you read the message in the group? If you're not willing to do it, just tell me, because it was regarding a project work. So the teacher was scolding me in my WhatsApp group, and I was so tense, like, what am I supposed to do? I was not in my phone 24 hours, so I did not see the message, and I was busy with my shoot as well. Then the scene was something very strong, like I have to cry, a very emotional scene. So I cried thinking of that thing, but the scene was about telling my mom, my brother, I miss them, I wish you could be here with me, something like that. The scene was about that. But then I cried, the director shouted, cut! But still I cried, thinking about my teacher's words and thinking about when should I submit my project work, how should I finish it, when should I finish it. Then I couldn't stop crying, and the main lead and also the director, my costume designer, everyone came on me and they were like don't cry, stop. They were thinking it was because of the sin, but it was because of the pressure from my teacher.
They didn't know that. Still they didn't know.
They didn't know, but I think I have mentioned in one of my interview, I don't know if they heard it or not, but it was because of that. So it was quite funny thinking that I was crying because of the sin. I was so emotional.
Your acting was out of the world in that series. What do you consider your biggest milestone or turning point as an actress?
As an actress, people begin to recognize me. So people know my name. So with this opportunity, I can start something good. Then people can look up to me with respect. And when I do something good, people can follow my good things in a good way. So if I was just simple person whom people don't know, then it would be hard for me to influence others something good. So as an actress, I take this opportunity to do something good for the people. So and then the people can also follow these things easily.
True. Even it was funny that you have to shoot without a stuntman, that particular incident, and then you said there are no such things, like it's minimal that you have the script first and then do the movie. So what are the things that you think the Manipur cinema have to change or evolve with time? Because evolution of cinema, it's remarkable if you compare with other countries, or even in India, let's say in this certain part or in the northern part. There have been a lot of mixture, and if you compare with South Korean movies or South Asian movies, so what are the things that you as an actress would like to change?
So as an actor and also as a fan of movies, TV shows or TV dramas, our Manipuri film industry is, to be honest, our Manipuri film industry is growing, but at a very small level. And also I can say that it is better compared to, it is not that bad compared to all the Northeast film industry.
Okay.
I can say that it is growing. Look at the music videos of our Manipur. It's improving a lot. And when it comes to comparing with Hollywood, Bollywood, we are in a different level. We can reach that, but I think after how many years, I don't know. And for now, see, it depends on the viewers as well. It depends on the audience of the Manipur. People have been complaining, saying that Manipuri films always depends on, family dramas and mother-in-law and then the wife, the husband, all these things. But the director, the producer, the story writers know what the viewers want. I mean the Manipuri viewers. That's why they're still continuing doing the same thing again and again, over again and again. We can't expect Manipuri film industry to make something like Avatar.
Right.
We can't expect them to make something like the recent TV show Stranger Things. So we can be in our own level, but with some improvement. Like I said, it depends on the story writer, and it also depends on the viewers as well. And film is something entertainment of program. It is not always about giving moral lessons. It is not always about giving, okay, the moral of the story is this. Sometimes it is about comedy. It is about entertainment. People need to know that. And then, see, in the movie, the storyline, the director can portray a lot of bad things, a lot of good things. But it depends on the viewers to know what is bad and good. Sometimes the viewers keep complaining that why are they showing all these bad things in the movie? Okay, but instead of that, I want the viewers to know, okay, this thing is bad, so we should do the opposite. We should do the good thing. Likewise, even the story, I just want to say to all the story writers, not all, to some of the young story writers, that if they want to show something, if they want to portray something bad thing, then put the good thing after
the bad things.
Try to show that as the solutions, so that people can know, people can understand that this is the bad, so okay, we can follow the good thing. It's like that. With that, our film industry will eventually grow.
You told me the changes that you would like to have in the Manipur film industry. So when can we see Manipur film on something like Netflix or Prime or any app that is available on OTT platform?
Okay, regarding that,
And sorry to interrupt, because there are lots of small film industry that are included in Netflix or Prime. So how can we do that?
so regarding that, there are some people I know, they have started making their own app, like Netflix. Not big like Netflix, but something similar to that. So that's the first step, I think, for me, for the Manipuri film industry. So it takes good quality to be in those kind of level in Netflix or any other app, say Amazon Prime, all those Disney, all those things. It needs to be on a certain level. So we are in the first step, and it needs time. But in order to do that, I am not a technician, I am not an expert, but as an actor, I can know that there will be a time where our Manipuri film will be known by people, will be internationally known. But as of now, I think the few people I know, they are starting their own app, and I can say that is the first step, and I'm hoping they can do better than that again in the next coming years. So I hope so.
Have you ever tried something big like Netflix or any other app? Because the series which you did was quite popular. I think with the subtitle, I still can say it's up to the standard that can be put on Netflix. Have you ever tried that, or have you ever approach or suggest somebody on that?
Not yet. And coming to the web series, yes, people love the web series, but I think there is some certain criteria in order to reach the Netflix level, Netflix content. So yes, they have started putting subtitles in certain movies, some particular movies. And also, like I said, there is this different apps, like in Ipo Media app, and also this MSFTS, there's this app, Manipur app, where the movies are uploaded out there.
Or we can pay.
We will pay something like 99 rupees or 100, and then people can watch it from there. And they have also put subtitles. And one advantage is that, see, I have lots of friends, because I have been studying in different types of school. I mean, different schools all over India. So I have different friends from different regions. So even they wanted to see my movie. So because of the subtitles, also because of the apps, they're able to watch it now. So I think it's growing.
So one fine day, we will get to see Sonia's film on Netflix or Prime or Disney Hotstar.
I hope so.
I'm expecting that very soon. And this is also very important. What qualities or what unique quality or strength do you think Manipur film or Manipur cinema brings to the Indian film landscape? Because it's very small compared to Bollywood, as you said, or the South film industry.
Yes, it is small compared to all those big industry, Bollywoods or the South Indian movies. But like I said, it is not bad. It is growing each day, but it takes time because we are in Manipur and we all know how Manipur situation is.
Right, true.
And also, movie film industry is one of the big industry in Manipur, but it is very tough for the people who works in this industry. I'm also an actor, and I've experienced a lot of drawbacks, like a criticism or any certain group of people trying to bring us down. So sometimes it is very tough for us to grow and be a part of all the other parts of India. I think you get what I mean.
Yeah, I got it.
So yes, there are many actors, like say for example, I want to say Bala. You know, she has the looks. She's beautiful, she's outgoing, she's versatile. She can act in other movies, other parts of movies other than Manipuri movies. But there are some conditions that we cannot do that.
Right.
So it will be very hard to be a part of it. But we can reach that level one day, but it will just take time. We just have to put trust in our Manipur film industry, and we just have to change the quality and also the story writing style, the script writing style. Then eventually I think it will grow and it will be a part of it. I hope so. Even though if we can't be a part of it, I think at least we can reach their level or even be better.
Whenever I see it, it's always about romance and a love triangle. It's quite stereotype. It's quite typical, I would say. But when can we see a movie like a serial killer? Like, for example, you are the main character, become a target of a serial killer. That kind of script, interesting script, the thriller type. Do you get that kind of script, or when can we see that kind of changes in Manipur film industry?
I think we can see the changes. And I think I've seen some recent movies, Manipuri movies, not yet released, but I think they're in the shooting process. I think it's based on something like that, the one which you mentioned just now about the serial killers and all those stuff. I think, there's a slight changes in the script writing. I can see that. But for me, as of now, I think I still haven't got any script regarding all the serial killers, or apart from family dramas and apart from romance. It's all about, like I told you, it's all about all those family, and then just being a wife, being a mother-in-law, the fight between them, only those things. But I hope there will be changes, and I hope I get a script like that, because it will be interesting for me as well, because I love all those kind of movies or series. So I hope so. I hope I will get in the future.
Because the world is changing.
Yes.
And we get to see a woman, a female character taking the lead.
Yeah.
Do you love to do that kind of...
I would love to do it. I am so ready to do it. I am in love with movies where, women take the lead role. I'm not hating on the other movies where men take the role, but we have seen so much, right? So I just want to see something new, like women taking the lead role and women doing something which she liked, also respecting everyone. I really want to be a part of it.
Recently there was a film, I think a South Indian film called Lokha. It's about superpower or something, but the woman was taking the lead, and it became a major success. Nobody was expecting that.
Yes.
So do you expect that kind of changes in the film industry soon?
Yeah, soon. Like, because with education, because there are lots of educated people coming in this industry, and I hope they make the changes. Like you said, there was a movie. We have been watching this Captain America.
Right.
But they have also started to focus on women empowerment, and this Captain Marvel came out.
Right.
Where the woman, she was taking the lead role. So slowly they are making the change. And I can even see, I don't know if people notice, but I can even see a scene I saw a scene from this, what was it? Avengers Endgame. It was the last fight, and there was a group of superheroes, and they were all women. They were trying to show something, they are trying to portray something that, okay, in this fight, even the women, they are involved. They're trying to show, even though if they are not speaking it out loud, they are trying to show it by actions. So
you get the scene.
Yeah,
okay.
These small changes can influence people. So I hope Manipur film industry will make the changes. I think it will soon, because like there are lots of young people, youths coming in this industry as a director and as a cinematographer or script writer. So I think they can make the change.
It's quite happening in other industry as well. What about when you say lead character, what about the pay parity? Because to actors to get less salary compared to male characters or male actors. Do we have this kind of stuff in our industry?
I don't know back in my father's time, but now it's 21st century. So I think at least, even though our Manipur is a very small state, I think they know what equality is. So I think even in our industry, I have not seen much difference. I think they're treating us equally, and I'm really grateful. Even though I'm a woman and even a man took the lead role, I think we get the same pay. I'm really grateful for it, because there is no difference, and I am pretty sure that they don't have that thought like, okay, we should give more to the men and we should give less to the women. I think they don't have those thought process.
Okay.
They're treating us equally, even with more respect. So thankfully we're lucky in that part.
So there's no such thing like, oh, he's the superstar, he should get more, and you're just a newbie, so you get less. Nothing like that.
There will be some difference because obviously
Of the experience.
in a company there's a difference of salary with the higher ups and the newbie, of course. And when the newbie is, what do we say?
Come experience.
Yeah, with experience, then he or she will get more again. So it's like that in the film industry as well. Okay, yes, honestly, the newbie will get somewhat less salary, but with time, he or she will get the same amount eventually. With time.
With time.
Yeah.
So have you ever been approached by any industry? There is no distant part of India, they have film industry as well. Have you been approached by any industry other than that?
Yes, there were some contacts, I think like twice or thrice. But it was from North Indian. I think it was about a commercial, and the other one was a movie. But yeah, due to some criteria, due to some conditions, we were not able to take part of it, and we rejected it.
So it's a Bollywood approach then?
Yeah, we can say it was a Bollywood, but they were also coming from a small,
production house.
Yeah, small production house. But we had to let it go.
It's okay. How difficult it is to maintain yourself, because you have to look good, you have to look healthy, you are the face of the society. How do you balance that? Whatever products that you use or whatever things that you eat, tell us something about that as well.
To be very honest, if I was in this acting career alone, then it would have been much better for me to take care of my looks or my diet or anything. As for me, I am balancing between my work career and also my education. It is tough. Yeah, it is difficult to manage everything. So sometimes I just let it be whatever it is. But sometimes we have to take care of ourselves. Like priority is mental health. Over looks. My looks, I can take care of my looks later, but mental health is the priority. So I have to take care of my mental health. That means I have to take rest. I have to, and again, coming to mental health regarding this balancing education and work career, it's very difficult. So I have consciously chosen not to take too much project. So I usually take 1 or 2 projects in a year so that I can have time for myself and also I can have time for my education, so it does not get mixed up. Because if it get mixed up, the first thing that will harm is myself, that is my mental health. So if my mental health is not good, then the things which I want, the things which I'm trying to achieve will not work for me. So I have to balance everything. So taking care of my looks and taking care of my dress or what I wear, this and that comes in my third list of my priorities. So my first priority is mental health.
Okay, that's very good. And have you ever come across actors or actress going through mental health issues and they were not able to tell, because there are lots of suicidal issues as well? Do you think such kind of things also happens in our industry?
Of course, I think it's there. It's there. People are suffering. All the people all over the world are suffering from their own problems. So coming to this actor world in our Manipur, of course they are suffering. And sometimes, even though I am not close to some certain actors, when they face something, when they're struggling something, I just texted them. I don't know them personally, but I just feel bad for them. Like, how much are they suffering? And then how are they trying to cope up all these things? Are they okay? That's the first question that comes up on my mind when something happens to any of the other actors.
Okay.
In this world, in today's world, all the social media, this and that, all the viral videos, this and that, all the criticism. Because I've experienced that, and not that much, but I've also experienced and I've also faced these things. So the first question that comes up on my mind is she okay? Is he okay? So I'll text them. Don't think much. We are there. I am there for you. Just ignore them. So I used to text them. I think at least it helped them 1-2%.
Right.
That's how it is. And I just want to let the people know. I just want to let the listeners know that everyone is suffering from their own problems. So try not to add another problem to the other person because they're facing a lot of things. But as an actor, we're also facing a different kind of problems. So just let's be kind to each other, and being kind doesn't make you lose your coolness. So just be kind, be supportive of each other. And if you don't like someone, just ignore them. Don't try to give comments.
Right. I didn't know that you're so philosophical. Okay. There are many youngsters who look up to you as an actress or as an influencer. So what advice would you give to aspiring actors, especially women, or any young actors or any young guy who want to become an actor?
Okay, so first of all, as I am not an expert or anything, but my message to the youth would be to take your decision carefully, especially when you are young. And don't let others influence your choices too much. And whether the decision is small or big, it should be your own decision.
Okay.
That's what I want to say. Because from my own experience, I have taken all the decision, the opinions of the people around me, and it was a burden. So as a message to the youth, I just want to say, take your decision, take your own decision, just carefully. Don't let others influence.
Your
Same goes to
decision.
the newbie actors or everyone. Just do what you like.
And your future projects, because I really want to know roles that are coming up so that the listeners can look forward to any new series or any new films or any new projects that are coming up that you can share if it's allowed.
I can. There's a movie. So this movie is about a woman selling the Manipuri the Manipuri clothes, the handmade.
Handicraft.
So, it's like that. It's promoting those kind of things. So I think it's going to be interesting. We have completed most of the works, almost 70-80%. So I think it will be released around the next summer, and I hope we all get to watch it.
Very soon.
Very soon, yeah.
And one thing that's ringing in my mind, what makes you so humble and down to earth? Is it because of the gene, or is it because that you are like this always?
I don't know if I can say I'm different from others or not, but yes, the thing is I tend to put others' happiness over my happiness. But that has a positive side, and also a negative side, I can say, because it has affected me a lot. Because I always think about others more than myself. And I'm just being humble, being kind, because that doesn't lose anything from my side. And yes, I gain people's happiness, but I don't lose anything being kind and humble. So I hope everyone does the same thing. I know everyone has different principles, but I'm not telling everyone to follow my principles. But just being kind should be in everyone's principles. I think that is essential for everyone.
5 years from now, or let's say in the future, where do you see Manipur cinema?
Obviously, be better compared to the ones which are happening right now. And I hope it will grow more, and I hope people will love us more. People will respect the people who are working in this industry because they have worked hard. And I hope the people working in the film industry also gets more respect from the people and also grow more. And also I hope the international platform can see how Manipuri film is growing. Yes, but in 5 years, there will be a slight change in the script as well, and the way how it is portrayed, the videography, the cinematography style, and each and everything in the movie film industry. I think it will be changed in a good way, for the better. I hope everything works out for good. We'll see. We'll have to see.
If a famous director, Hollywood director, approached you for making an epic film in Manipur, like Khamba Thoibi or the 7 Years of Devastation and all, would you do that?
I would, obviously. I am so ready to take part in any of those Manipuri historical movies because it's like I am being part of the history. So that would be nice.
Okay. I know somebody who is an VFX artist in Canada who is living there. I think in his future project, he wants to do that. I will definitely say that you're interested.
Thank you.
Okay, so we are going to wrap it up. This is a rapid round. I have never done this with any interviews that I have taken so far in 10 years. So you can just randomly say your favorite Manipur film.
Thengman Krethabal.
Okay. Dream co-actor you would love to work with. Still you haven't worked with.
Okay, from Manipur, right? Okay, from Manipur, all the new actors.
Okay.
New actors.
All the new actors.
Yeah, all the new actors.
So not one, but all the new actors.
Yeah, all the new actors. I want
Okay.
to experience it. And from Hollywood, Tom Holland, the Spider-Man.
Okay, that's nice to know. Thank God I had this rapid round. Okay, a role you still wish to play someday.
A superhero.
Okay, that is happening. I think maybe the South Indian film industry will approach you very soon. Acting in one word.
Acting in one word. What do I say?
Take your time.
Okay. Acting in one word, it's like, I don't know it's going to be one word or not. Portraying something.
Okay,
Portraying,
Okay. Manipur in one word.
Manipur. Manipur as the flowers. Not just one flower, but flowers.
Okay.
Because it's diverse.
One line. This is very interesting. I love this. One line that defines Sonia.
Okay. One line, okay. Should I use third person or...
You can do whatever you like. It's all yours. The studio is yours.
Just one line. I want to say more than
Okay.
one line.
Okay. I will give you 2 more. So 3 lines.
Okay, she's kind. She is good to the person who does good things to her, but she ignores the person. She can cut off the person even though she cares for him or her. She can cut off directly if he or she disrespected her.
Okay, respect comes first.
Yes.
I'm writing that down. Good to know. And it's quite surprising, before I ask the last question, it's quite surprising, very, very surprising that I can approach you through Instagram, DM. You replied as well. But there are some influencers, who are very new, I don't want to mention the name, who have managers to manage the Instagram or whatever social media. And they're quite young and very, new to this kind of celebrity. I think, I don't want to praise you more and more, but still, you are really inexplicable in this celebrity world. I'm truly mesmerized by your personality.
Thank you so much.
As I said, on the last note, what messages would you like to share with your fans? Especially, you have a huge fan following, as you can see on a YouTube channel or whatever the series that people go crazy. So, to the listeners of Akashvani and the fans that you have.
To the listeners and to also my fans, I love you. I really mean it. And I hope I will get to work in this industry for a very long time. And I usually take only 1 or 2 projects in a year, just enough to stay connected with you people. And just to let you all know that I'm still active. So even though if you don't see me much on screens, just know that I am here and I will just pop up once or twice on your screen because I'll be focusing on some other works as well. So just keep supporting me and stay kind, stay safe, and love your families. That's all.
Okay. Sonia, it's truly amazing, and thank you so much for giving us time, and thank you so much for being so humble, and I'm so grateful that you come down to the studio alone, that in your car, and give us this interview.
Thank you so much. I had an amazing conversation with you, and I hope we get to meet up soon. And thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.